International Snow Leopard Day was observed on 23rd October. The day is dedicated to saving one of the rarest wild cats on the planet. The day is observed every year in different countries across the world. It aims to create awareness of the importance of the conservation of snow leopard, consolidate the effort of environmental organizations in the country. Snow leopard is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Despite being called the snow leopard, the big cat is more closely related to the tiger than the leopard. Based on phylogenetic analysis of DNA sequence sampled across the living Felidae family, the snow leopard forms a sister group with the tiger. Snow leopard and tiger probably diverged between 3.7 and 2.7 million years ago. Snow leopards are magnificent mountain mammals and are well adapted to live in mountain ecosystem. Here is Vishnu of Plus 2 Biology, our forestry club member, to say about its adaptations.
Snow leopard may be considered among the most beautiful creatures on this planet. They are an interesting member of cat family. Snow leopards are unique and have many interesting factors that separate them from other big cats in the world. In summer, snow leopards unusually live above the tree lines of the mountainous meadow and the rocky region at the altitude of 2,700 meter to 6,000 meter. In winter, they come down into the forest to the altitude around 1,200 meter to 2,000 meter. To minimize the heat loss, they have thick fur and their ears are small and rounded. The fur on the belly of the snow leopard is about 5 inches thick. This fur acts as a natural protective shield. They walk more on broken terrains and can travel without difficulty in snow. They have wide paws that act as a natural snowshoes. Snow leopards are well camouflaged and are most active at dawn and dusk. Snow leopards can travel an incredible 25 miles in a single night. Like lions and tigers, they can't roar. This is due to their underdeveloped vocal cord. The nature of this creature has given them the title Ghost of the Mountain.
Now, Megha of Plus 2 Biology will explain about the biological classification of snow leopard and what are the threats faced by this organism and which are the national parks where they are conserved.
Snow leopard is about whitish to grey with black spots on head and neck, and its weight about 30 to 55 kg and its tail is about 90 to 100 cm. Its canine teeth is 28.6 mm long and are more slender than those of other Panthera species. The snow leopard, also known as ounce, is included in Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, suborder Feliformia, family Felida, subfamily Panthernia, genus Panthera, and species Uncia. The scientific name is Panthera uncia. India is believed to have 400 to 700 snow leopards spread across 4 states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, and 2 union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The main threat faced by the snow leopards are habitat loss, human-wildlife conflicts, loss of prey, poaching for illegal trade, and climate change. The stage came after 3 years of assessment by the experts suggest that 4,000 to 10,000 snow leopards are alive. To preserve these milestones, there are mainly 5 national parks in India: Hemis National Parks of Jammu and Kashmir, Great Himalayan National Parks of Himachal Pradesh, Gangotri National Parks of Uttarakhand, Kanchenjunga National Parks of Sikkim, and Nandapa National Parks of Arunachal Pradesh.
Snow leopard is the state animal of Himachal Pradesh. Harsh landscapes that these elusive cats live in means that their population estimation remains a challenge. I got a wonderful opportunity to attend an international webinar which explains the challenges faced by researchers on a mountain ecosystem. This photograph shows how risky the field efforts are. Snow leopard is listed in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Accordingly, it need highest degree of protection. India has established the National Snow Leopard Ecosystem Protection. Priorities are in line with the Global Snow Leopard and Ecosystem Protection Program, and it also implementing Project Snow Leopard since 2009. So, the webinar on magnificent mountain mammals was very informative as well as inspiring. The Government of India has undertaken ex situ conservation measures like captive breeding to augment the population of snow leopard. In our latest initiative, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has joined hands with United Nations Development Programme for the implementation of Government of India UNDP GEF Protection Project. Here you can see cute baby snow leopard. And here is the snow leopard depicted on the patch of Ladakh Police. Secure Himalaya to ensure sustainable livelihood along with the conservation of snow leopard habitat in the high altitude mountain Himalayan ecosystem. Snow leopard play a crucial role in ecosystem as top level predators. By conserving the snow leopard, we are conserving the entire habitat. We are proud to say that India is one of the frontier nations in snow leopard conservation.